So that's why I showed you all of that, because these people are suffering not directly because of you. It's because of the actions of Mayor Abby Binay, but here we're trying to remedy it. Nung last budget hearing, pumunta sa amin, we wrote you, then pumalit sa'yo si Director Matias, kumilos ka agad siya, then we told him na may mga problema, then did you resume ba? Or as but from October to May, every 2 weeks, tinatanong ko sa staff ko ano na nangyari. Pinapakita niya sa aming Chief of Staff na tinetext ka niya, hindi kayo nag-issue. Anong problema?
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Ma'am, may papakita po ako sa inyo. Can you show the Can you show the Can I show yung mga pinadlock na I don't know lahat kayo kung napanood niyo na yung yung commercial ni Mayor Abby Binay, yung better, di ba? Kasi I'll show you what's happening in Embo and kayo na mag-judge kung better to o bitter. No, can you show nga the pictures? So when the Supreme Court ruled that Embos are part of the territory of Taguig, I don't know if you are familiar with the story of King Solomon. Nung may dalawang ina na pumunta sa kanya at pinag-aagawan nila yung baby. So ang sabi ni King Solomon, hatiin na lang natin. So yung isang nanay sabi, sige. Yung isang nanay ang sinabi, wag. So sabi ni King Solomon, yung nanay na nagsabing wag hatiin, yun ang tunay na ina. Kasi walang ina na papayag na papahamak yung kanyang constituents. So to be fair to Mayor Lani, it was her decision. Walang permit po ang ospital ng Makati, but we're not closing it down. Ang ospital ng Makati inorderan or someone ordered them na, Madam Chair, na wag magkaroon ng MAIP or DSWD MOA. So yung mga taga-Embo ngayon cannot use a hospital in their own area. Ganon din ang pamantasan ng Makati. The pamantasan ng Makati, the land is not owned by Makati. But we have not done anything to hamper, to disrupt the studies of all students there. On the other hand, Mayor Binay padlocked all of the health centers. Initially, she padlocked the fire stations. Nung nagwala ako kay DLG Secretary Benhar na baka magkasunog dito, nakakandado lahat, he went to her personally and opened it up. So ayan po, South Sembo, nakakandado po yan. Nandiyan po yung mga lock. Pitogo, nakakandado po yan. Okay. West Rembo, nakakandado po yung health center dyan. Next. East Rembo, nakakandado po yung health center dyan. Next. Comembo, nakakandado po yung health center dyan. Okay, next. Pembo, nakakandado po yung health center dyan. Okay, so anyway, I won't bore you with the details, but aside from that, parks, health centers, covered courts, nakakandado lahat. So when you were Assistant Secretary, when you were Director, we asked you for certifications to ask kung may na-issue ng patent. Why did you drag your feet? Every 2 weeks, tinetext ka ng staff namin eh. From October last year to May, hindi mo kinilusan. How come? So that's why I showed you all of that, because these people are suffering not directly because of you, it's because of the actions of Mayor Abby Binay, but here we're trying to remedy it. Nung last budget hearing, pumunta sa amin, we wrote you, then pumalit sa'yo si Director Matias, kumilos ka agad siya, then we told him na may mga problema, then did you resume ba? Or but from October to May, every 2 weeks, tinatanong ko sa staff ko ano na nangyari. Pinapakita niya sa aming Chief of Staff na tinetext ka niya, hindi kayo nag-issue. Anong problema? Is that the kind of service? I mean, kung Senate at Senador na nag-request sa'yo, hindi mo kinilusan, I wonder if it's an ordinary citizen. What would you do? How come you didn't act upon it? Or you don't even remember?
No, I remember, Madam Chair, the Honorable Senator of Alan Peter Cayetano. So, we did when I was the DNR NCR Regional Executive Director, we proceeded with the issuance of all the residential free patent that had been completed in the process. So, wala po ako...
Ma'am, huwag niyo kaming lituhin. Wala kaming pinapatigil o pinapatuloy na issuance. Ang tanong namin sa inyo, kasi ang sinasabi ni Mayor Abby Binay, sila may-ari ng mga yan. E nabuko namin sila sa DepEd na nakapangalan sa DepEd or wala pang patent or pending pa yung patent. So even yung office nyo yung pamantasan ng Makati, sinabi pending pa yung patent. So we ask you specifically, issue a certification kung alin ang may patent at anong wala. And you answered us, lahat yan walang patent. Pero you wouldn't issue the certification, which by law you're required to do. And I'm asking you now, why didn't you even write us back? Every 2 weeks, tinetext ka nung staff ko.
Apologies, the Honorable Senator, but there had been, when I was there had been continuous discussion on the legal aspect. And
hindi nyo naman kailangan ng discussion, ma'am. Certification lang tinatanong namin sa inyo. In-issue na ni Director Matias ngayon In-issue na ni Director Matias. Ang tanong lang, it is a factual question. We asked you, ma'am, pakitignan mo nga, may na-issue ba dyan na patent o hindi? Di ba meron tayong batas tungkol sa transparency? Di ba pag may nag-request sa inyo na ordinary citizen, you're required by law to answer? So kung halimbawa nag-away ang GSIS at ang Senate, kaninong building to? Nalaman ng Senate na hindi pala sa GSIS to, hindi kami pwede pumunta sa inyo at magtanong na, ma'am, pakitignan nga kung ito'y lupang gobyerno, may patent ba ito? For the information of the Secretary, ma'am, proclaimed land kasi lahat to Hindi naman po ito commercial land. So kasinungalingan yung sinasabi ni Mayor Binay sa TV, na yung sinasabi niyang, hindi kasi pag ang Makati bumili ng lupa sa Ortigas or sa Bulacan, syempre sa amin yon pero nasa Bulacan. Hindi ito binili ng Makati. Ito ay prinoklama ni President Marcos Sr. and then na-amendahan during President Cory's time. Kaya inaalam namin kanino napunta yung pangalan. Kung sa Makati, kasi ang pwede mag-apply under the proclamation is a LGU or anyone public use na qualified. So pwede yung city, pwedeng DepEd, pwede yung barangay. Ang tinatanong lang namin sa inyo, ma'am, meron bang patent? At hindi mo kami pinansin, dinedma mo kami. You want me to show in the screen lahat ng text dito? So in the meantime, all of these people are suffering. Kamag-anak ni Poncio Pilato yung secretary natin ng Department of Health. So imbis na puntahan si Mayor Binay at sabihin buksan yan, katulad ng ginawa ni Secretary Benhar, naghugas siya ng kamay, nagpadala sa DOJ ng hindi namin alam kung sino may-ari niyan. Kung in-issue mo sa amin yon, binigay namin sa kanya, alam nyo ba ma'am, mga bata na bagong panganak na kailangan ng bakuna, pinapadalan pa namin ng sasakyan everyday galing sa EMBO dun sa existing health center namin. So wala kayong pakialam? That's the effect. Did we have to explain to you this way? Does everyone asking for a certification from you have to explain this way to you? Hindi ba nasa batas naman na pag humingi sa inyo, magbigay kayo? I do not believe you're a bad person, ma'am. I do not know you. So I'll make no judgment. Pero sasagot mo pa lang kanina, ma'am the ongoing, etc. Hindi naman yun ang tinatanong namin next question, ma'am. I made my point there. Last year pa, sinabi nyo sa amin, pending yung application ng pamantasan ng Makati. Di ba? Tama? Correct? Please use the mic. Correct?
Yes po.
Are you familiar with the Supreme Court decision?
Yes po.
So now, is Makati qualified to apply for that land? Yes or no?
Based on the evaluation po, yes po.
Ang nakalagay sa proclamation, ang pwede lang
Taguig po.
Taguig.
Taguig.
So Makati has no right to apply, di ba?
Actually,
So you mean Parañaque can apply sa Signal Village sa Taguig?
no po.
Kasi ang proclamation sa Taguig lang, di ba?
Taguig.
So nung nag-rule ang Supreme Court, bakit hindi ka mapagbigay ng diretsong tanong? Sa proclamation, yung LGU lang ang pwedeng mag-apply, di ba? Sino ba ang LGU ngayon?
Taguig.
Taguig. So pwede ba mag-apply ang Makati? Why can't you say no loudly, ma'am?
No, actually po, I just want to,
No,
to
you can explain later, but answer me yes or no so that I know. Yes or no? Can Makati apply for an area in Embo?
no po.
No. So why haven't you denied their application? You can explain. Yes.
Actually po, it was a process then that we were reviewing. That's why I sought also opinion from the legal and everything po, no? And then, yun pong end of pipe na yun, na naalis na ako dun sa NCR. Kaya po because of the process that we did in the review po. And then we sought also
Okay, but ma'am,
advice from the
ay puputulin kayo doon, ha? Anyone here na mamumuliti ka, i-ignore nyo. But it's a simple legal question. Burahin mo yung Taguig, burahin mo yung Makati, burahin mo yung Cayetano, burahin mo yung Binay. Just follow the law. The law says that it's the LGU na may jurisdiction kung apply. The Supreme Court said it's Taguig. It's 1 year already na binbin sa inyo. So this is causing many problems. You want us to go through litigation for another 30 years? So, Madam Secretary, may I ask that we look into this? And, I tell that to my staff. When I was in DFA, I tell that to my staff when I was the speaker. Do not come to me with names. Come to me with the facts, the legal issue, diba? And the opinion. Kasi pag nilagyan mo pa ng facts, sinabi mong, Sir, etong bill na to, sponsor si Senator Villar. Siyempre, mahal ko po yan. Para kong nanay yan. Para kong ate. So, pag sinabi Senator Villar, bias ka agad ako for. Diba? Pero pag sinabing, Sir, yung bill na to, ganito, maganda. Saka ko tatanungin, sinong author? Diba? So, what's the problem with us asking for certifications and everything? By the way, Madam Secretary, in-issue na ni Director Matias. We're just going through it today. We don't want you involved in any politics. We want Congress and the Senate to respect you. But it's factual eh. Ang tanong lang namin, etong lupa na to, meron bang patent o wala? Kung meron, penging kopya. Kung wala, bakit wala? And that's all public records. Diba? But ASEC, I'm not, as I said, I'm not judging you as a person because I don't know you. Pero hindi ayos na October to May. And if you ask me now, ba't ngayon lang ako umangal? Baka tama, baka mali. Sabi ng staff ko, Sir, pabayaan mo na ma-promote kasi kay Director Matias gumagalaw eh. Kay Ma'am, hindi eh. Hindi kami sinasagot minsan pag tinetext eh. Di ba? Do we need a department order to say? Or do I have to text you myself bago ka sumagot? Kasi medyo busy ako ng ma'am ng konti. Marami din ang committees, marami din ang responsibility. After this, we have to have a press con about the new Senate building. So it's not easy. Do I have to text you myself or will you respect us if staff namin? Sir Yusek, by the way, Chief of Staff ko mismo ang nagdi-deal na rin kay GM. Hindi ordinary, hindi staff to staff. Chief of Staff ko mismo. Siguro naman sa Senate po, ma'am, after us, maybe our COMSEC or our Chief of Staff, sila na po yung alter ego namin kasi isa lang katawan namin eh, di ba? So I just like to put an emphasis on that. If you were afraid, ma'am, na kawawa mga taga-Embo if you gave the certification, etc., okay lang eh. But you've seen, Taguig has always put first the interest of the people. We have not closed down anything. We have supported them. On the other hand, nagsasuffer yung taga-Embo. Muntik na nga sila hindi pinayagan magboto eh. Di ba? So, Madam, I've taken up much time but I wanna take up lang yung sa reclamation.
May kulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa.
Bunyog Party List.
halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.